Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn a new Spanish verb. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and check out the memberships on this channel. There are different perks when getting one. Thank you to this channel member. Thank you so much for your support. Please check out the memberships on this channel so you can support this channel as well. Okay, let's get started. The Spanish word of the day is arreglar. Arreglar. This is a regular Spanish verb. Do you know what this word means? This word has quite a few meanings. They're all very interesting. Arreglar is a regular Spanish verb, which means that there are certain patterns to follow when conjugating this verb. So the endings usually change. I have a video about that. If you want to check that out, click somewhere here or here. The meaning of arreglar is to fix, to repair, to arrange, to tidy up or to tidy, to settle, to sort out, and to get ready. So yeah, we can see that it has many meanings. Yeah, you can use this verb in very different situations and in many situations as well. Okay, now let's see the first example using this verb. El mecánico está arreglando mi carro. El mecánico está arreglando mi carro. This means the mechanic is fixing / repairing my car. So in this situation, arreglando, obviously, the verb is conjugated here, this verb means fixing or repairing. So if you have a situation where someone or you are repairing or fixing something, you can use the verb arreglar. El mecánico está arreglando mi carro. The mechanic is fixing or repairing my car. Now, let's see another example. Ya arreglé todo para el viaje. Ya arreglé todo para el viaje. This means I arranged everything for the trip. Arreglé, that's in present tense. Arranged. In this situation, arreglar means to arrange. When you are preparing something, when you're getting things ready for an event or for a trip, you can use the Spanish verb arreglar. Okay? So we can see two different situations here. Someone needs to fix a car, and we used arreglar. And in the second example, someone is arranging or preparing something for a trip. So, yeah, ya arreglé todo para el viaje means I arranged everything for the trip. Let's see another example. Arregla tu cuarto. Arregla tu cuarto. This means tidy up your room. Arregla, tidy up. So, arreglar can also mean to tidy up. When you have a messy room and if you have to put things away or to tidy up your room, you can use arreglar. Now, let's see more examples. Tenemos que arreglar este problema. Tenemos que arreglar este problema. This means we need to settle this problem. arreglar in this situation means to settle. There is a problem. You need to fix the problem. You need to talk things out. You can use arreglar. We need to settle this problem. Tenemos que arreglar este problema. So basically, arreglar is about fixing things, about settling things, about tidying things up. So that is interesting. Another example. Miguel nunca arregla estas situaciones. Miguel nunca arregla estas situaciones. This means Miguel never sorts out these situations. Arregla, sorts out. Yeah, Miguel is not doing something. He's not resolving problems. He's not sorting things out. And that's why in this situation we are using the verb arreglar. Miguel nunca arregla estas situaciones. Miguel never sorts out these situations. And lastly, me voy a arreglar para ir a la fiesta. Me voy a arreglar para ir a la fiesta. This means I'm going to get ready to go to the party. So if you're going to get ready, for an event, if you need to go somewhere, you can use the verb arreglar. Specifically, if you're saying that you need to get ready. Me voy a arreglar. I'm going to get ready. So if you have to dress, or if you have to fix your hair, all of that means arreglar. So getting ready to go somewhere. Okay, that's it for today. I think this verb is a little tricky. You have a lot of different meanings and they're all very commonly used. So yeah, that's quite interesting, and you gotta learn all of these meanings because, as I said before, arreglar is very commonly used. And remember that arreglar means to fix, to repair, to arrange, to tidy up or to tidy, to settle, to sort out, and to get ready. So practice this verb. That will help you master this regular Spanish verb for sure. And you can practice by leaving more examples down below using this verb. If you have any questions, just leave the question down below or any comment related to this verb. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Check out the memberships on this channel that supports this channel greatly. And another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.